Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at the Expert GEA for MT4. I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discussing the features highlighted by the developer, and then sharing some observations about the historical testing information and overall trading approach presented on the product page. Starting with the marketplace listing, we can see that Apex G is an expert advisor developed by Dmitry Evgenovic Co. and designed specifically for the MetaTrader 4 platform, although if there happens to be an MT5 version, it's not exactly listed here. All right. Now, at the time of this review, the EA is listed at a purchase price of $2,199 with version 1.26 shown as the current release. According to the description, Apex G is built specifically for trading gold, with the recommended symbols being XAUUSD and GOLD. The developer explains that the system is based on a combination of price action analysis and advanced pattern recognition techniques that are used to support its trading decisions. As I continue through the product page, the developer notes that the EA analyzes charts to identify support and resistance zones, while also searching for recognizable chart patterns. The idea is to combine that information to evaluate potential future price movements and manage trading positions accordingly. One feature worth highlighting is the level of customization available. The description mentions that users can adjust parameters such as risk settings, take profit levels, and stop loss values to better align the EA with their own preferences and risk tolerance. Having that flexibility can be useful because traders often have different approaches to position sizing and risk management. The product page also emphasizes that Apex G includes backtesting functionality, allowing users to evaluate performance on historical market data and make adjustments where necessary before deploying the EA in a live environment. Looking at the trading specifications, the recommended time frame range is from M5 up to H1. The developer states that the minimum deposit requirement is $100 with a minimum leverage recommendation of 1 to 20. The EA is described as being compatible with any broker, although ECN brokers are specifically recommended. Further down the page, the developer highlights several operational characteristics. Apex G does not use Martingale, does not use averaging techniques, and avoids what are described as dangerous money management methods. The description also states that each trade is managed with defined stop loss and take profit levels. Now, moving into the back testing section, the historical testing can be a valuable way to evaluate how an EA behaved during previous market conditions. However, it is important to remember that historical analysis is not a guarantee of future performance. One point I appreciate is that the developer explicitly states that the backtest shown in screenshots are highly optimized to identify the best performing parameters. All right. They also clearly mention that those optimized results should not automatically be expected in real trading conditions. Okay. So that's an important reminder when evaluating any historical testing performance. From what we can see here, test 2025 starts 300 to $1.477 million. Win rate was 100%. Out of 609 total trades taken, not a single loss. So let's head over to our strategy tester now. Let's see how this EA performed in 2026 over the past 3 months. All right. And um we are testing the apex G on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. All right, and we are also using the every tick modeling as well. Okay, so the backtest results are out now, and we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was 1,486.57, and the total trades taken we have 568, out of which 567 we are profitable. So that gave us a 99.82% win rate. I can also see that the largest profit was 9.21, and the largest loss was 1.1. This is quite impressive. Average profit was 2.62, average loss 1.1. So the risk to reward ratio is amazing. The risk to reward ratio is actually great, and I can see that the EA seems to be targeting short-term price movement, because for a $50,000 account, having largest profit as just 9.21. So, I can see that risk management is quite a priority. The difference between the largest profit and largest loss is quite much, out of 568 trades. And the win rate is quite high, 99.82%, right? So this is really nice. Okay, but in a moment now, we just have to look at the EA in action. So I'm just going to turn on the visuals, and here we go. All right. So as I review the historical chart activity, the information provided suggests that the EA's behavior is tied to price action analysis, support and resistance identification, and pattern recognition techniques. Right. So beyond those details, I would avoid making assumptions about the exact entry rules, exit logic, or internal filtering processes, because those specifics are not disclosed on the marketplace page. I'd also recommend running longer term testing yourself, so you can gain a broader understanding of how the EA performs across different market environments and volatility conditions. Now, when assessing historical backtest results, remember that performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, risk settings, position sizing, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. Overall, the Apex GEA for MT4 is presented as a gold focused automated trading system that combines price action analysis with pattern recognition while maintaining defined stop loss and take profit management. As always, thorough testing, optimization, and risk assessment should be completed before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and if you've used Apex GEA yourself, feel free to share your experience in the comments below.